everyone. We're back here today at our construction site for our project in Brewster, and we came to show you the updates. Since the last time we were here, a lot has progressed. And as you can see in the background, we're working on installing the septic tank, and we've also installed all the siding. So our exterior is already finished, and it was important to get that done before the rainy season and extreme cold arrive. So the exterior is finished, and inside we're also pretty far along. Let us show you inside. As you can see, the electrical and plumbing installations are already completed as well. We're going to give you a tour of the site and show you how things are looking inside. Come with me. This is the kitchen area. Here, we'll have a central island right in the middle. A large marble island. This is the breakfast area. And we have access to a large deck. As you can see, the deck leads to the lake over there, with a view of the lake. In the future, an access path to the lake will be built. This access to the lake is private. Here is the living room. In this staircase area, we have a double height ceiling, which really enhances the entrance of the house. Here is our master suite. And here is the master suite bathroom, which will have a view of the lake and where there will be a bathtub. Here is the walk-in closet area of the master suite. This is the laundry room. This is the office space. For those who like to work from home, it's the perfect spot. Here we'll have a full bathroom and here a second bedroom. Here we'll have the dining room, and next to it, we'll have a half bathroom. Here we have the basement, which will be finished as a game room, and we'll also have a full bathroom. The bathroom will be here. We have 2 sliding glass doors that will give access to a spacious patio with a fire pit. Shall we take a look at the lake? As you can see, the construction area is fenced off for safety, but our lot goes all the way to the lake, so this entire access to the lake is private. These are the updates we had to show you. Enjoy the images of the house, and see you next time.